Good evening, Regis Jesuit. I'm Coach Taylor, the head boys and girls track coach, and this is week 3 of Friday Night Lights. We've been turning on the stadium lights to recognize those who miss their opportunities to participate in spring activities. We also turn the lights on as a beacon of hope and love during this pandemic. Tonight, I stand on this RJ representing you. At this point, we have had nearly 200 individual events canceled this spring, including everything from theater to robotics and freshmen to varsity sports. I can't tell you how hard this time has been for me personally, but I can only imagine how hard it's been for you, especially for you seniors. For those of you who don't know, Father James Martin does a daily faith share on Facebook. Today he shared John 14, 1-6, where Jesus comforts his disciples by saying, "Don't let your hearts be troubled." He said this during a time they felt uncertainty. We all felt a sense of uncertainty when we said goodbye to spring activities on March 13th. In the past 8 weeks, it's become easier for my heart to not be troubled by truly enjoying the present and accepting the new normal, while avoiding the thought of, if only. You see, I knew we were going to have a great track season. If only we had the opportunity. We would have had state champions, if only they could compete. Instead of dwelling on if only, I found comfort in the gift of slowing down and spending time with my family. I found grace in spending time immersed in being a father and a husband. So even though your spring was dramatically different than you expected, don't let your hearts be troubled. And seniors, on your last academic day of your high school careers, I want to thank you for your leadership and commitment to Regis Jesuit. Good night, Raiders. See you soon.